So my role is focused on embodied carbon strategy, and specifically reducing all of the emissions that make up our product. From the time a unit is metal in the ground, the manufacturing processes that happen to those different materials, and then when we finally assemble them at our plants, all of those emissions kind of add up to be embodied carbon. And then ultimately what happens at the end of life for that product, is it recycled, repurposed, refurbished? I care about sustainability. I want to live in a healthy, safe world where people are comfortable and can go outside and breathe fresh air. We have our Gigaton Challenge, of course, which is our commitment to reduce 1 billion metric tons from our customers' carbon footprint by 2030. And that's the big one. It covers over 90% of our value chain emissions. It's helping our customers have more efficient, more environmentally friendly equipment. Also looking to our suppliers, right? A lot of our emissions come from those materials that go into our products. So I'm really excited. Trane Technologies is committing to 40% reduction of embodied carbon in key materials that go into our products by 2030.